Hey everybody, I'm going to do another YH65 leashy video. This is for the Yamaha R3 motorcycles. And this is from a question that I saw that somebody had a problem using this leashy when a fork lock was engaged. And I had never had that problem, so I thought I'd make a video just demonstrating it. Now the fork lock on this is right here. And to engage it, you got to insert the key. And you have to watch the key, you have to actually push it. To spring, then you have to push it and then turn it, and then the fork lock's engaged. And then to disengage the fork lock, same thing, got to push in, and then you can turn it to off, start the bike or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and re-engage it. Oftentimes when you come to a bike, the keys are lost, the forks are usually locked. So we're going to go ahead and insert the leashy. Let me just got the lock still engaged, of course. Let me just rotate this here so you can see it. See what I'm doing here. And we're going to actually have to pick this actually 2 times. So the first time will be to disengage the fork lock, and that'll put us in the off position, and then we'll pick it again to on or start. And then we'll be able to actually take a reading on it if we wanted to do that to make a key. So hopefully everybody can see. Now what I'm going to be doing here is take the leashy, and I'm going to push it in just like the key, put tension, that'll keep it pressed in. Make sure the tool's all the way in the lock. Okay, we'll push it in, apply tension, and just go about picking it like you normally would. Just go through looking for binders. Okay, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 5 is binding this side. This should actually do it here. Alright, so now we can actually disengage that fork lock. As we can see there, it's no longer up. And then from here, of course, spin the motorcycle around so you can see it. And then we'll just have to pick it again to the on position. Seven, 8, 6, 3, 1, 2. See here, 5 wasn't picked yet. Okay, and now we have it actually to start or on, and then from there you'd be able to spin the bike again and take your reading on it here. So if we're going to take a reading on it. You got 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 2. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2 is your reading. And from there you'll be able to go ahead and cut your key and get paid and get on down the road. So pretty much all I got for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments or drop me an email. And I guess that's all we got here. We'll talk to everybody later.